from one crater to the next. So this is actually a cinder cone. They call it Sunset Crater. Just an old volcano. So this whole area is just littered with volcanoes. So another like cinder cone there. Sunrise, that's the main one. There's some more cinder cones over here too. Big volcanic active area. Apparently this blew in like the year 1080, something around there. Native American legends still talk about it. You can see a little snow cap there. That's Mount San Francisco. Another old dormant volcano. Really cool area. Unfortunately, not allowed to climb that. I was hoping we'd do that today, but guess not. Doing a short little 1 mile loop across this lava field. See an old lava flow. You know how much from the PCT videos, how much I love crossing lava flows. They're really hard on your feet. That's the Sunrise crater right there. And check this out. This is a splatter cone. Basically in the center you have a lava coming up and just, splatters out, and it just keeps building and building. Keeps going up and up. So one thing that's pretty cool, as opposed to the nickel iron meteorites we saw today, is these rocks are relatively like very, very light. But you can see they're very porous. Go over here. Oh. So, another lava cave, but they have this one barred off, so you can't go into it. You can't see how far down that goes. Be pretty cool to check it out though. Oh, this is pretty cool. Never seen this. So, from the picture I just showed you, you have these little fins. Yeah. Pretty wild. All right, that's it for today. Time to find a camp spot. See ya.